Hey guys, it's me again. I'm just making a follow-up video for my last video about the Crown Vic. As far as my transmission and everything else going on with the car. I did order a new transmission today. Should be here by Friday. I ordered it from Jasper. It's a remanufactured transmission for my 2008 Crown Vic. I'm not going to go into a lot of depth of like the actual transmission failure and all that stuff. I want to make another video talking about the transmission and the points of failure, and maybe some research that I did for my car, so I can just save other people a little bit of time when they're having the same thing as far as what I figured out. But anyways, the transmission I'm getting is a remanufactured Jasper transmission. It has a bunch of upgrades, and I'm just going to talk about some of the things that this transmission has. One failure point is a snap ring on the clutch, one of the intermediate clutch packs, and can pop off. So this update has a different snap ring that stops that from popping off. And the valve body, there's like updated springs and pistons and stuff that keep that from breaking. That's not what happened in mine, but in some of the transmissions, the springs can break, and you will lose like from second to third. That won't be able to shift because the spring might break. There's another video which a guy takes apart one of these, and he really explains a lot of this stuff that I'll put in the description. It's a really good video. One of the things that I was gonna do before I bought a new transmission was actually replace the pressure solenoid. But after talking to some people and taking it to a trans shop, they just said I need a new transmission, and that's what I went with for a couple reasons. But some updated clutch drums with some more plates and some durability stuff. This isn't really stuff that's like failure points. But yeah, this transmission was about $2,700 and 3-year warranty. So it's pretty good price for what you're getting. Some other transmissions, Monster Transmission, I was looking at them for performance stuff, but they have some bad reviews, and I'm not really sure about them. BCA Transmission is another place I almost went with. They used to be really popular on the Crown Vic forums. I'm really not sure what the deal with them is anymore. I almost bought a transmission for them, but I went with this because it has a warranty, and because my shop, my guy, Ben's Automotive, this is who they suggested, and they're a verified installer, and I can get the warranty through them and all the labor and all that. And total cost came out to about $3,500, $3,300. It was around there. But for the actual transmission failure, what happened was I got the car back from the tint shop, and like over the course of like the rest of the day, what happened was I would go first and second gear totally fine, there's nothing wrong with that, and drive. But it would go 1, 2, and then after that it was just revs. At first it started off by just being really slow, and it would like hesitate when shifting and stuff like that, but then it just got to the point where I didn't have third and fourth. This car just has no third, fourth right now. It just doesn't have it. If I put overdrive off, with this, if I put overdrive off, of course, it'll just stay in first and second, which is really weird. It doesn't try to shift in the third. But when it's in drive, it just tries to shoot the fourth. I don't know why, but new transmission, so. But yeah, I got my door panels off to fix my speakers. You can see my Kicker DS speakers. This is one of the things I really like about the Crown Vic, is taking the doors off is so easy. And it's like it's not a pain at all. It's really easy to take the doors off and fix stuff in the doors. So I just like taking the doors off because it's easy as hell. I don't know why this has insulation, that door doesn't, but yeah, that's pretty much it. This actually came with a converter, so I was gonna buy like a higher stall converter, nothing too crazy, maybe like a 1900, 2200 stall, but this comes with one, so I'm not gonna be buying that. I'm replacing the rear main seal on the crankshaft when they take the transmission out. So that's another thing I'm doing when that comes off. I was gonna replace my flex plate, but the shop was like, yeah, you probably don't need to, and after looking it up on the internet, I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna waste money on a flex plate, and my motor's not even making a lot of power, so it's probably, I don't need that. But other than that, yeah, this car should be running by the end of next week, or this week, hopefully. It should be running with all 4 gears, finally. But yeah, I'm gonna make, if your transmission is failing your Crown Vic, if you like leave a comment or something, if you have any questions. I've done like a bunch of research on this, so I know quite a few things that you can figure out about your transmission by like the research I've done, because I've watched like hour-long videos of people dissecting the transmission and crap, and it's like super complicated. So I'm gonna make a whole nother video just focusing on the transmission failure to see to list a couple of things. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. Just giving a quick update about the transmission. Shout out Jasper, you know. That's about it. I'll see y'all guys in the next video. Bye.